Welcome to DeFi Crypto Today. Our topic today is cryptocurrencyalerting.com. It's a very interesting utility that some of you might enjoy using, especially if you're putting your tokens on Abracadabra, for instance. If you watch my time to be your own bank videos, there's two of them, you might remember that there's a line here that says wMEMO liquidation price. So if you deposited some wMEMOs and you borrowed MIMs against that, here it would tell you the price at which the wMEMO would trigger a liquidation. Okay, and you would lose money. So you want to know before this happens, okay, so that you can either close your position or pay back the MIMs or add more collateral or whatever in order to avoid getting liquidated. Okay, so you have the wMEMO liquidation price and the wMEMO liquidation price. That's probably easier to do than wMEMO. I would think that wMEMO or time, wMEMO and time have the same value, right? So that would probably be a good idea to type in wMEMO or time in the other app. I'm going to show you how it works, okay? But remember this, okay? This is it alerts you to tell you when the price is getting too close to liquidation. So you set it up just above that. All right. So let's have a look. All right. This is very neat. It offers you a ton of features. I'm just going to focus on one aspect, because you can explore this and discover all kinds of fun things. Okay, it depends on the way you trade, the way you invest, and so on. It depends on your strategies. You can have a million strategies. So we're just going to focus on one strategy, though, the strategy that I explain in the Time to Be Your Own Bank videos. Okay. All right. So the feature I find useful for those videos is the price alert. So you can decide to receive an email, an SMS, a push notification, a phone call, or a browser notification. Some of the features are paid features, some of the features are free features. As far as I know, the email feature is free. So you can create an account and it will send you a notification by email if you want the free version. If you want to get an SMS, then it's a paid service. Right now it's set for Bitcoin, but as you will discover, we have Wonderland time in here. If time goes under or below the price of, let's say your liquidation price is $2,500, you might want to set it at 3,000, so it's above liquidation price but a lot lower than the current price. Okay, see, current price is here 8,500 something. All right, and you can set it up in dollars, in Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever works for you. Okay, dollars works for me, and it's using Uniswap by default for this token. Okay, there are lots of choices depending on the token that you choose. Okay, but by default it typically finds the best one, but you can change it. And then you click here and you set the alert and you're good to go. All right, so if the price of time and wMEMO have the same price, and if it drops below 3,000, you receive a notification by email if you select email, SMS, whatever, phone call, whatever. Let's check if they have wMEMO. I doubt it, but they might. wMEMO. Meme money, no. Meme coin, no. Those are not good. Okay, so be careful, that's not the same memo here. I hate when they have multiple tokens with the same name. Anyway, so choose time. It says Wonderland time, so you know it's the right one. Okay, all right. Anyway, explore the features. I wanted to just give you a quick video here. There are tons of features. I haven't used any of the other ones. That's the only one that I care about at the moment. So check it out. I think it's a very, very excellent service. So it might help you not get liquidated on Abracadabra. All right, so if you like this kind of stuff, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to like. The algorithm loves likes and sends more people to my channel so that I'm incited to make even more fun videos for you. All right. Don't forget to ring the bell so you know when the next video is published. Download the free book. It's free and explains some really easy, fun strategies that are low risk. If you don't like it free, you can go to Amazon, pay $5.99 to Jeff Bezos, and Jeff will send me a check for $1. Imagine that. See you.